Who is Teuku Raja Ankasah and where did he come from? Let's discuss it together. Teuku Raja Ankasah is one of Aceh's heroes who came from South Aceh. Teuku Raja Ankasah was born in Bakongan in 1790 and died in Bukit Gedeng on October 25, 1928. Teuku Raja Ankasah is known for his very clever war tactics, and his skill in using a sword is even nicknamed by the Dutch as the Sumatran tiger. Teuku Raja Ankasah was able to eradicate the Dutch general with the sword he had. Teuku Raja Ankasah began to lead the war against the Dutch Marsos in early 1925. In that war many of the Dutch Marsos died in his hands. In the war in the Dutch Bakongan it was very difficult to control the area and they even lived in name. Teuku Raja Ankasah has a short body, but the soul in war is very strong and intelligent, so many Dutch generals died. The Bakongan War led by Teuku Raja Ankasah proved that the war in Aceh was never over.